Morning class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How
Good
is
morning,
it?
ma'am.
Good morning. How is everyone doing? Good or not?
Good.
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 Very good. Let everyone come.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sir. Okay, today we'll do question answers of manufacturing industries, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let us do one thing.
Ma'am, excuse me.
हाँ बेटा बोलिए.
Ma'am, in the exams, can these questions come like same to same?
Yes, that is why I'm sharing it with you, beta. This is
Or
the
when the language will be change of the question?
I in that first PDF that I shared with you all the other day in the previous week,
Yes, ma'am.
there were multiple questions, right? For one single answer. So this was done only to avoid any kind of confusions later on. Like these questions may come as it is because there were, I think, see for one particular topic there were 7 or 6 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Language.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Dhruv. Good morning. So out of these, anyone can come. Right? My motive,
Okay.
you should know the answer also. Plus, you should have multiple questions also with you so that there is no confusion at the time.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Sania.
ma'am, when we will do history revision?
History revision.
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
answers we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have some problem in some questions of history.
हाँ ठीक है. Let us discuss that only today. Right? You
Yes,
can,
ma'am.
let me get the book, beta. Let me get the book. Fine. Okay. Yes, Dhruv. Your doubts.
Ma'am, the question was explain the difference that widened the group between the Congress and the Muslim League on political issues. Ma'am, the answer was located on 44 page number.
Beta, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, page 44. History only you are talking about.
Yes, ma'am. Explain the difference that widened the group.
Widen the. Explain the difference. बेटा एक बार दोबारा बोल दो. मैं ये बच्चे एक मिनट आप होल्ड
Yes,
करो.
ma'am.
आप 2 मिनट रुको. ये बच्चे आ जाए, ये डिस्टरबेंस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. ओके. हाँ, वही झाड़ू। Dhananjay, are you facing any problem? Dhananjay? Has he joined? Has Dhananjay has joined or not? Okay. Dhananjay? Yes, Dhruv, come up now. Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have sent you the question.
You have said, explain the difference that widened the gap, that widened the gap between Congress hoga beta, group nahi hoga. Let me see. The question you have not written correctly. Explain the difference that widened the gap between the Congress and the Muslim League on political issues. Question was
Yes, ma'am.
gap. हाँ, it was not a group. Correct the word. तभी तो आपको इसका आंसर नहीं मिल रहा है बेटा. है ना? Correct your question.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
And if we search this question also on Google, then also there is gap, not group.
अच्छा. I have to go somewhere for 15 minutes, so I'll come after 15 minutes. ठीक है धनंजय, no issues. Dhananjay, can't you speak? Huh?
Ma'am, his mic solves problems in each and every class.
अच्छा.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, ma'am, there's a question in civics. Mention any two issues on which democracy had failed. Ma'am, first is economic growth. And ma'am, what was the second one?
Eradicating equality and poverty.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I think when we did this question, I told you that there are several questions which fit into these topics.
Yes, ma'am.
Taking the positive aspect as well as the negative aspect of both the topics that we have. Let us do one thing. Let us keep today's class as doubt session. Will it be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? I feel कि you people have more of doubts. So let us start with the history one only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So Dhruv, your next doubt that you had.
Ma'am, the next doubt, ma'am, which I have written on my own, the answer of that question. Compare the image of Bharat Mata with Germania.
Okay, where you have to compare. In that question you are saying.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait a second.
Ma'am, both the female allegories
Allegory.
of Bharat Mata and Germania symbolizes their country and helps in the collective belonging among the different communities in their country.
हाँ ठीक है. ठीक है.
And ma'am, these image or a figure symbolizes the identity of a nation.
हाँ बिल्कुल. These symbolizes the identification of a nation. Yes.
Ma'am, but it is a 5 marks question. I have written only 3 marks.
Only 2 points. I'll tell you. I'll dictate you the remaining points. Give me a minute. Shall I share it on the screen with you all with the taking the picture of the image, or shall I write it?
Ma'am, as you wish.
No, you tell me which will be more convenient. If I dictate, will that be fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first point is the image of Germania was the symbol of German nation, whereas the image of Bharat Mata was the symbol of Indian nation. This is the first point, right?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Acha, wait, beta, I'm sharing the screen with you all here. I'm writing it here on the board. You copy it down. I will not write the whole thing. I'll just write the main keywords, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You know, that will be fine. Let me share. Screen start. Okay. Oh. Wow. Okay, Beta, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. The first point is history, chapter 2. Okay. This class 2. Comparing the images of Bharat Mata with the image of Germania. This question you can use for general this thing also. If they will ask you about the features of the images of Bharat Mata, then also then you can use these points. So the first point,
Yes, ma'am.
uh, one symbolizes, each symbolized each symbolize their respective nations, right? Will this be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? और इसको elaborate आप कर दीजिएगा by stating that Bharat Mata symbolized India and Germania symbolized Germany, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next point is the image of both images inspired nationalists to work hard to unify their respective countries, right? And to, I hope my writing is readable. It is legible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And to attain. I hope you all are writing this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to share it on the class group as well, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Third point, huh?
Ma'am, what is written in a national
Nationhood.
nation? Okay.
Nationhood. And third point, image of Bharat Mata चलिए image of Bharat Mata is different from that of Germania in the sense that
मैम
जी बेटा आयुष बोलिए
मैम चिराग मैम वेटिंग रूम में बोल रहा है मैम लेनी है।
अच्छा बेटा एक्चुअली हमने दूसरी डिवाइस से को होस्ट बना दिया 1 मिनट रुकिए अभी ले रहे हैं जस्ट अ सेकेंड ओके टेकन Okay, image of Bharat Mata is different from that of Germania in the sense.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Chirag. Sorry for keeping you waiting, beta. Image of Bharat Mata is different from in the sense that the former reflects the religious basis of its making. Okay. This is the third point. Fourth point is both the images are painted by different painters. Depicting different emotions. Both the images are painted by different painters depicting different emotions. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the meaning of depicting?
Depicting, show, by showing. एक मिनट अभी ना is there. Right? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Bharat Mata looks calm, composed, calm, composed, calm, composed, calm, composed, divine and spiritual. Divine and whereas Germania displays. Germania displays ideals like liberty, justice, and republic. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसी में
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Sanya.
Ma'am, after divine there is spiritual.
अरे हाँ, SPRITUAL ना, spiritual. Fine. Then
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Next, you can write sixth one. Like I will give you 2 more points so that whichever point you feel is easy to remember, you can remember and you can write accordingly. Bharat Mata is portrayed as an aesthetic figure while गैस बंद कर देना. Okay. Bharat Mata is portrayed, POTRAYED, portrayed as an aesthetic figure, whereas Germania, are you writing?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is whereas Germania displays independent and heroic women, right? I hope these many points are sufficient.
yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Yes.
Right. हाँ जी, next question. Which is the next question? that I need to tell? Batao beta. I think I gave you so many questions, no? You people said we have problem.
Ma'am,
Huh?
you gave one question why large sections of Muslim felt aligned from Congress.
हाँ तो इसका आंसर लिखवा दे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me a minute. I'll just get it for you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी. क्वेश्चन क्या था हमारा? सानिया एक बार और रिपीट कर
Excuse
दो
me, ma'am.
बेटा. हाँ जी,
Excuse
ध्रुव
me, ma'am.
बोलिए. ध्रुव बोलिए बेटा.
Ma'am, Agrim.
हाँ अभिनव सॉरी. हाँ बोलो बेटा. क्या क्या?
Agrim. मैम
हाँ जी.
मैम ये आंसर्स मैं खुद ही मतलब जैसे कि खुद ही फ्रेम कर रहा था उन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर जो आगे के जो क्वेश्चन है उनके मैं अगर खुद से ही फ्रेम करके लिख दूं तो चलेगा.
हाँ बिल्कुल बेटा, बिल्कुल चलेगा. बट बस आप ये देखो, जो हम ये क्वेश्चंस लिखा रहे हैं या जो आंसर्स हम बता रहे हैं और आप लोग पूछ रहे हो, उसमें सिर्फ आप ये एक चीज का ध्यान रखिएगा कि जब आप आंसर्स लिख रहे हो तो उसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम ना हो, है ना. आपके पास सफिशिएंट जो है कंटेंट होना चाहिए टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, राइट.
यस मैम जो पॉइंट्स आप बता रहे हैं उन्हीं पॉइंट्स के हिसाब से मैम मैं आंसर लिख रहा हूँ.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
यस मैम.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. The question was why large section of Muslim felt aligned from the Congress.
Why large section of Muslims
Ma'am, page number 68.
was the question like this: why some of the Muslim political organizations in India were lukewarm in their responses to the civil disobedience movement?
Ma'am, after this question, why large section of Muslim felt aligned from the Congress? Ma'am, fourth line of last paragraph, second last paragraph.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. got it. ठीक है, इसका आप लिखो. देखो इसका एक तो ये ना कलेक्टिवली क्वेश्चन दो तरीके से आप लिख सकते हो. See, there are I gave you only this one single question or three questions I gave you along with this. Sanya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have marked only this question. And some of the Muslim political organizations in India were also lukewarm in their responses to the civil disobedience movement. Ma'am, these two questions were there.
These two were there for the same this thing, no? One single question.
Yes, ma'am.
Two questions,
Yes, ma'am.
one single answer. Okay. You write down the head points. Shall I dictate?
Yes, ma'am.
The first point is association of Congress with Hindu Mahasabha. Association of Congress with Hindu Mahasabha.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next is communal clashes. Communal clashes. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Then issue of demand for separate electorates.
Yes, ma'am.
Then status of Muslims in Hindu majority state.
Yes, ma'am.
Then issue of reserved seats in the Central Assembly.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
5 points.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बताओ. Sania, next question.
Ma'am, some of the Muslim political organizations in India were also lukewarm in their responses to the civil disobedience movement.
Same answer. Same answer. Same heads you will use and same answer you will write.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me,
जी बेटा ध्रुव बोलिए.
ma'am. I want to confirm one answer.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, the question is, what was the outcome of the Pune Pact? How did it benefit India? Ma'am, the answer which I have written, Pune Pact of 1922 in September resulted in giving depressed classes reserved seats in provincial and central legislative councils. It prevent the slowdown of process of this integration into the society of India. Ma'am, this one.
Repeat this last point. This last point you repeat.
Ma'am, the question was, the second question was, how did it benefit India? And the answer is, it prevent the slowdown of process of the integration into the society.
It slow down the process of.
The process of integration.
नहीं, इसको आप ऐसे लिखोगे that it did not let, this Pune Pact did not let the slowing down of the process of integration into the society. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because Gandhiji gave this statement, it is written for Gandhiji that he believed that separate electorates for Dalits would slow down the process of their integration into society.
Yes, ma'am.
This Pune Pact actually avoided this. What Gandhiji was predicting, this was avoided by the Pune Pact, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next question. Attendance. Today, Devansh is not there in the class.
No, ma'am.
Okay, can we have the cameras on? Anya? Anya? Abhinav Pandey? Agrim? Akansha?
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Agrim present.
Sudha? Sudha? Aksada is not there. And Anand? Anamata?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Bhumika. No, sorry.
Present, ma'am.
Anand is not there. Ayush is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhumika, Chirag, Deepshikha,
Present, ma'am.
Devansh, Dhananjay, Dhruv,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit,
Present, ma'am.
ठीक है, Kapil, Khushbu, Kunal, Mehak. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Mehak is also present. Malay on leave. Faiz,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammed Haseen. Yes, Dhananjay, I have marked you present. Don't worry. Haseen is there? No. Shoaib? No. Nikhil?
Present, ma'am.
Om?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Priyanshu? Ramsha?
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
मैम कुणाल मीटिंग में ये वो माइक नहीं खोल पा रहा है, वो कह रहा.
I read his message. बेटा. Don't worry.
Okay.
Shelly? Shreya? Swali?
Present, ma'am.
Vishesh?
Present, ma'am.
Present,
Vivan?
ma'am. Present.
Okay. Present.
Ma'am.
That is present. Hanji Sanya.
Ma'am, have you marked me present?
Yes. I saw you in the
Excuse me,
front.
ma'am.
Your mic was open. I
Excuse me,
saw
ma'am.
you. Hanji beta boli bacha.
Ma'am, have you marked my present?
Agreem, yes. You did not. You could not switch on your this thing, no camera. You could not unmute yourself. It was okay, but you said present. I heard that. Chali, what about these other children? Those who are not coming in the first class, are they joining the previous later on classes which are there?
Yes, ma'am. Some of them are joining.
Some of them they attend. Okay. Fine.
Ma'am, Anand is regular.
Anand is regular.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anand is regular.
My class though he never comes.
Ma'am, Surbhi ma'am also appreciated him.
For being regular. But today I don't know why he has not turned up. But otherwise he's coming daily. Chaliye, tomorrow, what you can do for tomorrow's class?
Ma'am, he might be sleeping because of cold.
But today it is so sunny. See, sun is shining, no rains. Till yesterday, we could have given this reason. Yes, it is cold. I understand. But one can, see, young children, you people are. If you will give these kind of excuses, think about us, Buddha people, how we are going to survive. Huh? Okay, for tomorrow's class, you send me 5 questions which you want to do in the classroom so that I can do them and share the screen with you so that you don't face any problem in writing. Will that be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we give civics questions also?
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आप बस beforehand दे दो हमें. Actually मुझे लगता है कि doing it right now here sitting in the classroom wastes the time as well. Plus it takes time for me to get to the answer. No, though I have books and everything with me, still it takes time. So if beforehand you will send me the questions, that way I will be prepared and I'll share the screen with you all.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, less than 1 minute is left. How many of you got your vaccinations done?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
first
I
dose
have-
done.
Om is done, Dhruv is done, Nikhil is done.
Yes.
I know about these 3 people. Then Agrim is also done.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Swali,
मेरी भी हो गई.
Bhumika, Swali आपकी नहीं हुई है वैक्सीनेशन अभी?
No, ma'am.
Okay. चलिए, no issues. Because today in